Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where we do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, we're going to review the IMGadget Dual Wireless Charger. As you're watching the video, if you find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. This is my current tech daily driver, which is the iPhone XX Max, as well as an Apple Watch. Both of these devices can be wirelessly charged through a wireless charging pad, which I have here. For my iPhone, I have this third-party Tsuzumi fast charging wireless pad, QI charging pad, and then this one is just the Apple branded OEM charging pad. And I don't like this setup because it's two separate devices to charge my two items. So that means there's two cables that's running up down to my computer that takes up two USB charging ports, or it's taking up a wall socket because I have to plug in two AC adapters for both these devices. And it's not convenient, especially when I want to charge other things on the wall socket. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get rid of all of this and just use one charging device. And the charging device is a dual wireless charger from a company called IMGadgets, or IMGadgets. This one's for smartwatches and QI enabled smart devices. So on the picture here has an Apple Watch and an iPhone. So it's temperature protection, over voltage protection, and over current protection as well. And on the back, it tells you some specs. So input is 5 volts or 2 amps and 9 volts and 1.67 amps. So the watch output is 5 volts or 0.4 amps. The smartphone charging output is 5 volts 1A and the power is 10 watts. And the cable along is 10 millimeters. Universally compatible, must have a QI enabled phone device for charging a network. It's for iPhone 8s and higher and Samsung Galaxy Notes and an Apple Watch S1 and higher. And so this is the charging port I'm going to use to replace all of these. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. And here it is. This is the charging pad. Let's take a closer look at the charging pad. So this is the wireless dual charging pad. At the bottom, there's some grippies. That's the technical word for these grippies to kind of help it prevent from sliding around on a smooth surface. Has the IMGadget logo, which IMGadget is Canadian, which I'm very happy to support. This is nice and thin. I like the nice black color, matte color. And that's one of the beefs I had with this white charging pad. So on my desk, which I'll show you in a second, everything is dark and black, just like my soul. And so having this white just stood out and really bugged me. And so having this matte black color will make it a lot nicer in terms of matching with the rest of my office decor here. The one with the indentation is for your Apple Watch. If I put it on there, you can see there's a bit of a bend that sticks on it right away. If I lightly lift up my watch, you can see that it's secure enough that I can actually lift it up, so I'm not worried about it moving or shifting and sliding this off. And in terms of my phone, if I just put it on here, it quickly charges right away. So that's it. There's really nothing much to it. This is just a dual wireless charger for your smartwatch and for your smartphone, as long as it's QI enabled. And then what I would highly recommend is getting a fast charging quick charge AC adapter, such as this one here. This is the Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0, and this will just speed up the charging for your iPhone. You can purchase the IMGadget's dual wireless charger for smartwatch and other QI enabled smart devices on the IMGadget's website, which I'll leave a link in the description below. Right now, you do have a sale. Regular price is $90 and it's on sale for $34.99. However, if you use the coupon code WONG5, you will get an extra $5 off. Again, I'll leave that in the link description below. Just to compare this to other branded chargers, if I go to the apple.ca website, you can see, for instance, this Mophie 2-in-1 wireless charging stand is $130. And then if I look a little bit further and just look for the charging pad for the phone itself, this OtterBox one's $80. Again, this is $80 and this is $80. So I feel for the value of having two devices charged and for the sale right now, I think this is a great deal. If you have any questions or comments about this IMGadget Dual Wireless Charger, leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.